Hello, welcome back. Friendly Kajima here. So today's menu is Jjajang Tteokbokki, which is black bean stir fried rice cake. So stay tuned. So Jjajang Tteokbokki, I would not say this is like a non-spicy tteokbokki, but this is like a minimum spicy tteokbokki. So what you can prepare, actually you gotta have some rice cake, fish cake, cabbage, green onion, carrot, onion, boiled egg. And for the seasonings, you can prepare some Jjajang which is like a black bean powder. You can get this one from the Korean groceries. Rice syrup, chili paste, garlic, and also you gotta prepare some water for cooking. The first thing we're gonna do, actually you can just get this 떡볶이떡. This is a rice cake. This 떡볶이떡 just soak in the water. So get some water in your bowl and just leave it like this. You can soak in the water for about like 15 minutes, 1-5, but still if you got like a frozen one, then you can just keep it maybe double, like half an hour. So it's just set aside. And the next we're gonna do some vegetable crepes. So we'll start with the cabbage. So you can just cut into a bite size like this. You can just cut it as you desire. Peel the carrots. Quickly rinse off. Cut. We'll use half. Cut in half. You can thinly slice them. Put it next to the cabbage. And the onions also, just cut in half. Green onions, just chop them into small pieces. So mix the white with the green. Just get a small amount and put it separately. Those ones we're just gonna use it as a garnish later. Just gonna put it on top of the cabbage. Vegetable prep is done and we're gonna do something with the fish cake. So before actually we used to cut the fish cake into a square or rectangular shape, but I'm just gonna cut the fish cake like noodles. I got some boiled eggs, so let's just break the shell. So I'll put one boiled egg when we stir fry tteokbokki. So we're gonna boil it together, and the other one I'm just gonna cut in half, and I will just use it as a garnish. So I'll just put it on top of tteokbokki later. So let's just cut it in half. So then you can just put it together with a green onion. So now we're gonna make some seasoning. So for the black bean powder, actually you can pour some water into it and start to stir. You don't need to mix it completely, just do it roughly. And you can add 1 spoon of chili paste. The rice syrup. If you don't have the rice syrup, then actually you can just put sugar or honey. So you just mix it in this way. 맛있어요. Already yummy. So for those of you who doesn't know what jjajang is, actually this is like a jjajang package. Here, actually you can just stir fry all the different type of vegetables together, and then you can just dissolve the jjajang powder. So you can make like a jjajangmyeon black bean noodle or jjajang pap black bean rice. So turn the burner on and preheat it first. While we are preheating the pan, actually quickly you can just rinse off the rice cake. So in the running water, just quickly rinse off once. And dry. So let's pour the oil. I'm gonna put all the vegetables except onions. That's right, and first. And now also you can add some minced garlic. So here, then you're gonna add some water first. And you will add the sauce together now. Stir to mix. So boil it for 1-2 minutes. Then after that, you can add the fish cake and rice cake also. Remember, you need to add the rice cake and the fish cake before the sauce getting thicker, because it also needs some time to be cooked. So once it starts to boil, then you need to just stir from time to time, otherwise it will be scorched and burn at the bottom. Let's add the boiled egg too. When the rice cake is getting soft, actually that means it's almost done. So at this time, you can add the chopped onions. If you prefer to have like a very cooked onion, then you could just put together with the other vegetables when we just firstly stir fried it. So I guess it's ready now. Boiled egg, chopped green onions, and sesame seeds. 미쳤다. 진짜 맛있다. If you're the 떡볶이 lover, you gotta try this. And also, if you're the beginner with the Korean food, so if you cannot go with the spicy food yet, then try this one. I added 1 tablespoon of chili paste, but still, I don't know, maybe I'm Korean, that's why, but still, I can't just feel any spiciness with this food. So good. So I really hope that you enjoyed my cooking challenge today. So if you liked it, please just subscribe to my channel and press the like button before you leave. So that will really encourage me a lot. Then I promise you that I'll come back with more nice recipes. So thank you and 또 만나요.